Enter the world of MC Hammer's astute investments, where financial savvy meets a daring entrepreneurial spirit. MC Hammer's keen eye for the future is evident in his investments in groundbreaking tech innovations, from cutting-edge startups to revolutionary technologies. In the realm of entertainment, MC Hammer is more than an artist, he's a shrewd investor, backing ventures that redefine the entertainment landscape. With a diversified portfolio, MC Hammer has invested in real estate, green energy, and charitable initiatives, forging a path towards a brighter future. As an entrepreneur, MC Hammer has launched successful businesses in various sectors, proving his prowess in the business world. MC Hammer's investments are a testament to his strategic vision, highlighting his journey from music icon to a multifaceted entrepreneur and visionary investor.